Hey everyone, welcome to the Globe guys. In this video we're in Porto and this is a hotel review for the Hilton Porto Gaia. If you find it interesting and useful, then why not hit that subscribe button. Enjoy the video. Hello everyone and welcome to room 140 here at the Hilton in Porto Gaia, which is on the opposite side of the Douro from the centre of Porto here in beautiful Portugal. Now this is our room. This is a king room with a terrace. We'll show you the terrace in a little while. We're not terribly excited about the terrace and you'll see why in a minute. But the room itself is really nice. Of course, you've got the king size beds. You've got these side tables, which are a bit of a nod to the district that we're in, because of course this place is famous for port. You've got some nice views of vineyards there as well. I really like the decoration. It's a mixture between minimalist and kind of industrial. And you've got a really nice, large, in fact it's huge, flat screen TV. I think these days they call this a media wall, but yeah, that's really, really nice. So, moving on, we have the drink facilities. We've got a kind of Nespresso machine, but I don't think it's quite Nespresso. You've got other tea and coffee making facilities, and then of course you've got a mini bar with nothing in it. Storage space. So, you have lots. In fact, I'm going to have to move out of the way here, aren't I? You've got lots of storage space. You've got a huge, well, I say huge, a reasonably big wardrobe. You've got the ironing board, which is very important to me and Ivan. You've got your slippers and your dressing gowns, and you've got some drawers down there as well, which are quite nice actually. They've got dampeners on them, so they're nice. And then of course you've got the safe there as well. Move out of the way again. These doors are huge. And then you've got the bathroom, which I especially like. So you've got his and hers sinks, or his and his, in the case of me and Ivan. We've got the toiletries, which Hilton never seem to change the toiletries, and I wish I'd change them because I don't particularly like those. And also we should be moving away, I guess, from single-use plastics. Got all the usual stuff in there. Got all the towels, and then you've got a huge shower, and this is huge. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it actually because it's really dark. Where's the light? Oh, there you go. There you go. That's huge. That's massive. Wow, that is big. So you've got the rain shower. You've got the shower head. Top quality fixtures and fittings. I'm looking forward to a shower in there. And then, that means this room is the bathroom. Beg your pardon, the toilet and the bidet, which doesn't really need much explaining, does it? Anyway, so we mentioned that we're in a king room with a terrace. So we're going to show you the terrace now. Now, the view might not be that great. Well, the view's not great for a start. However, it's pitch black outside, so you might not see it very well, but we'll show you it in the morning as well. Some people might like it, but I'm not particularly keen, neither is Ivan. It's just not much of a view really. Let me just light myself up. Oh, I've left my phone in there. But yeah, it's dark.
Yeah, we'll show it tomorrow.
So we'll show you tomorrow. But for now, that is room 140 here at the Hilton in Porto. As always, we're going to show you the rest of the hotel, and of course we're going to show you the view from the terrace as well. Enjoy. And we promised that we'd show you the terrace, and this is it. Yeah, I don't really know what the point of it is, if I'm honest. You know, I guess if you like sitting outside, but you know, the view's not exactly great, is it? I think I'd probably rather have just had a balcony or just a normal room, but we've not made use of this at all during our stay.
I think it's shady probably for most of the day, isn't it? If all. been our review of the Hilton Porto Gaia. It's been a great stay. Location has been awesome because you really are literally within a few minutes walk of the river. All right. Service-wise, it's been great. Facilities-wise, it's got an amazing sky bar on the third floor that offers incredible views of the river at night. So that's a great sunset place. And also, if you like a cocktail or two, definitely a place to go.
If you can call the third floor sky bar.
Yeah, if you can call the third floor sky bar.
But it's still an amazing view. It's
Absolutely.
Great. So that's a must-do if you're staying in this hotel. Go and have a drink up there, especially around sunset.
Definitely.
Great views.
Breakfast, lovely area. Range is pretty, I would say, is okay.
Yeah.
All right. I've been in hotels with better selections, but it's by no means poor. So the breakfast gets a thumbs up as well. You know, and I think room-wise, it's a lovely, spacious room. Only downside is outside here. We just don't like it. Simple as.
We should say it's in a great location because you're actually in the port making district, and in fact, we should mention actually that this hotel is actually an old port warehouse.
Yeah.
So you've got some real kind of history in the hotel, I guess.
I think so. Yeah, I think you can. It's very quaint. I mean, just walking out of the hotel into the main road. I mean, it's very. Porto's a beautiful city, and you'll see it for yourself. Check out our separate vlogs on Porto to make that decision for yourself. But for us, the ultimate test, the ultimate question is: would you come back and stay here again, Ryan?
Would do, yeah.
There you go. So there you go. We would stay here again. So the Hilton Porto Gaia gets a Globe Guys recommendation. Thumbs up.
So why not subscribe to us if you have found this video useful? And as Adam said, make sure that you're checking all of our vlogs from all the different destinations we've been to, because there's other hotel reviews on there as well. So it might help you for your next trip. Yeah, and make sure you give us a like, follow, subscribe, please. It's really, really important to us that we produce this content, that you like the content, so it motivates us to do more of it. So please do subscribe and like this video. It's much appreciated. And until then, we'll see you in the next video, I guess. Yeah.
All right. See ya.